friends, welcome to Simply Jain. We are going to chill out your summers literally with this granita. So let's start making it. Ingredients required to make watermelon granita are watermelon and sugar. Take 250 grams of watermelon, just cut into small pieces, and now we are going to make juice out of it. Our juice is ready. If you all feel you all have seeds inside, then strain it. Otherwise, it's okay if you all don't strain it. Just take your juice in a saucepan. In that, we are going to add 10 grams of sugar. I have used castor sugar. You all can also use powdered sugar. My sugar has melted. Now I am going to transfer it in another bowl and we'll move on to the next step. Now once the sugar has melted, take any bowl. Either you all can take a glass bowl or any steel bowl and then transfer your mixture. Cover it with a foil paper and then we will keep it in the freezer. So I have removed it after half an hour. So after every half an hour, you just have to scrape it like this. Right now it hasn't been set, so that's the reason you won't come to know the difference, but once it starts setting you all will come to know the difference. So it will take at least 6 to 7 hours depending on your freezer temperature. Once in every half an hour you have to continue doing this step with the fork. So now I'm just going to again keep it in the freezer and I'll keep doing this every half an hour. So this took 6 hours to set. This is the last time I'm scraping it. This is how it should be. This you all can just scrape it. This. Serve it chilled or serve it with vanilla ice cream, however you all want. This is ready. Our granita is ready. I hope you like this recipe and don't forget to subscribe to Simply Jain for a new recipe every Tuesday.